How to align objects in Google Slides. Open Google Slides. Next, click on Insert in the top menu. Select Image, and then choose Search the Web to find an image online. Once you've found the image you want, click and drag the image onto your slide. Resize it by dragging the corners. To make duplicates of the image, press Ctrl D after selecting it. You can repeat this as many times as needed. To select all the images at once, click and drag your mouse over them or hold Shift while clicking each image. Now, go to the Arrange menu and choose Align. Then select Top to align the top edges of the images. To evenly space your images, go to the Arrange menu. Then select Distribute and then Horizontally. For fine adjustments, use the arrow keys to move the objects up and down. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.